Hello, my name is Manuel Garcia. I'm a Dynamics AX functional expert from Dynamic Resources. And in this session, we will be showing you how to create a purchase order, submit it to workflow, and make the approval in a mobile app. And after that, we will see the receipt and the invoice of that purchase order with a three-way match validation. First of all, I will need to create a purchase order. I do this in the procurement and sourcing module. Here, I will select the vendor account. And then I will select the items that are going to be in the lines of my purchase order. So for this example, I will use this item number. I will select the site and the warehouse where I will be receiving it. I'll select the quantity, the unit price. And as you can see right now, my purchase order is in a status of draft because I have not yet submitted to workflow. I will submit it here in the action pane. And here I can write a comment for the approver of that purchase order. So here in my mobile app, I will see the options that I have available. And as I can see, I have a purchase order approval menu item. If I select it, all the purchase orders that need an approval will appear. So I select the purchase order that I'm going to approve. I can see the vendor, the amount, the item, and here I can choose to approve it or to reject it. So I will approve it. I can write a comment to the person who sent me the purchase order. And when I refresh the page, you will see that that purchase order doesn't appear anymore in my list. So as we can see, our purchase order is already approved. So I will confirm it. And after that, I will receive it. So first of all, I need to put my product receipt number. I select my product receipt date. Here in the lines, I select what I will be receiving. In this case, it will be the exact quantity of the purchase order. And then I will proceed to invoice my receipt. First, I need to put my invoice number. And before I invoice this receipt, if I try to change the quantities or the prices of the invoice line, if the quantities or the amounts exceed the allowed tolerance that I set up in the accounts payable parameter form, the system will not allow me to post the invoice. This is to ensure the three-way matching that is set up between what is in the purchase order, what it has been received, and what I'm trying to do the invoice. So For example, so as we can see, if we try to exceed the allowed tolerance setup, for example, I will change here the unit price. And here I run the update match status job. The system will specify me that it has it failed the validation. So in order for me to post that invoice, I need to specify values that are within the accepted tolerance. So I run the update matches status again. It says that it has passed the validation. So I can then post my invoice.